with dinner time mukbang. And I had trouble trying to get this together. But anyway, hi, my grubbies. I just want to say I love you, 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 I love you. Thank y'all so much to my new subscribers. I think I got like maybe about 5 or 6 new ones. But anyway, I appreciate y'all and thank y'all for subscribing. Tonight I'm coming to y'all with spaghetti that I cooked. And it has some ground meat and some shrimp in there somewhere. I put a lot of parsley on top to make it pretty. And then I made garlic bread. My lighting is so thrown off, but hey, it's okay. And all I can say is time to grub. I'm having dinner tonight. So I'm watching a movie while I'm eating. And it's time to grub, y'all. Spaghetti and garlic bread. Fries on my grave. And then I'm having some Welch's grape juice. So what's up, my grubbies? My last video I was kind of talking very softly. It was early in the morning. I'm up now. Well, I just got off. But really, it's like, I think it's like 7 o'clock at night. So, and I got me some cigar. What's on there? I think that was a shrimp. He's always down here, mincing around that small waist. Oh, creepy. And the way he looks at you, that's not love. He's clocking your every move. I don't like it. I don't like it, Michelle. And he dresses better than both of us. That is gay or serial killer. Well, I get it. Like, he's very kind and he's genuine. And when I'm around him, I feel safe. Listen, I'm sorry, at some point, guys need sex. Yummers. Last night I was really touchy. I kissed him. And he didn't take it. Ooh, yeah. Spaghetti is one of my favorite meals. Ooh, that's a good spoon. Got some shrimp, some meat. What's else on there? Oh, that's 2 shrimps. Yummers! So good. I love spaghetti. Bro, I really like how I like to make my spaghetti, y'all. I like to put shrimp and sausage in it. And most likely, I like it to be rabbit sausage. But not all the time, because sometimes rabbit sausage is too smoky and it overpowers your spaghetti. Rabbit sausage is like a smoked sausage, like smoky, like to the point where you can like smell it, and it's very strong. And if I don't have that, I like to put reshots. But this go around, I just put shrimp and ground meat, and I put some Prego sauce. Prego sauce is my favorite. What's up, my grubbies? I want to tell y'all about my other channel, Crazy Little Church Lady. Go and look that up. If you follow me or subscribe to me on this channel right here, Time to Grow with Shrees, go check out Crazy Little Church Lady, my other channel. I've been putting some outfits of the day and stuff on it. Just type in Crazy Little Church Lady. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Yeah, on my other channel I've been doing I did some ColourPop hauls and some outfits of the day. Um I had been just like not putting up videos on that channel, so I kind of lost if I had the audience. So I'm trying to build it back up. Yeah. So but see, this channel is easy because you just, when you have dinner, you could just record yourself. But over there, it takes a little bit more effort. But the reason that I do YouTube, I enjoy it. I enjoy making the videos. I enjoy looking at myself. I'm serious. I think I'm my #1 fan. Sometimes I think all the views that I have would be from me. I'm not ashamed either. Because I watch it so many times. Mm. Mm. So good. Ooh. But I watch it so many times. So, like, I know a lot of views come from Shrees. On this channel, too. But I got a Shop Miss A haul I got to do for that channel tonight. Hopefully, I'm not too full. And I won't be able to do it tonight. But I'm going to try to get it up. I got some great. Let me fill this up. And I'm going to tell y'all. I got some great metallic lipsticks off of Shop Miss A for $1. Y'all, when I say they are awesome, not sticky. If you sleeping on Shop Miss A, go check it out. I'm telling you. That's a good time. I mean, that's a good site. It really is. Paradise. Y'all know I might just bust out in song, okay? But yeah, don't sleep on that site. On that little site, yeah. And I got some ColourPop lipsticks in. I did a ColourPop haul on my channel. I got some new fall colors in. I started to get the stuff to make a BLT, but have y'all noticed the prices on bacon? What? I mean, I don't understand what happened. Did the cow suddenly become golden? Because bacon, oh no, bacon. Bacon come from a pig. Oh, okay. Okay. Rewind. Did the pig become golden? Oh my god, I can't believe I said that. Oh wait. Okay. I meant the pig. Because bacon is high. My homegirl, Kanisha, on YouTube, has suggested a BLT with turkey and stuff. But man, small pack of bacon is $3.98. I think I seen that as like the cheapest one at the cheapest store. It's all like 6, 7. And if you want the good smoked applewood, thick cut bacon, you gonna pay about, I don't know, $12, $13. Which to some people, that's nothing to buy a pack of bacon. But if I can't feed my children with it too, I can't buy it. I'm sorry. I'm on a budget. I got kids, alright? So I can't do that one. So I can get me some bacon. Payday coming. Actually, payday tomorrow, so we'll see if I slip me in a pack of that. But I want the good bacon, because I don't want the cheap bacon. See, that's what's wrong with me now. I'm picky. I'm full. See, that's what's wrong. When you on a budget and you want to make a BLT sandwich, you can't be picky. You got to get the cheap bacon. You can't get the expensive bacon. BLT, she said it's supposed to be bacon, lettuce, and tomato, but it's going to be bacon, lettuce, tomato, and turkey, ham, or something like that with some cheese, and make toast bread. I think I'm going to put it on Texas toast. Texas toast. Thick cut bacon. Lettuce, tomato, lettuce, tomato, and some mayonnaise, and some good old cheese, like some, I don't know, pepper jack or something, or provolone, something different, you know, and some turkey. Ooh, some of that good turkey, and you fry that turkey down too on some Texas toast bread, toasted with some butter. Ooh, good. You don't need nothing but that sandwich. If I make that, I might, I don't know. But that sounds good. I just come and plop that sandwich right here in front of y'all. Plop. Cut it in half. Show y'all my sandwich. What y'all think? Good idea. If you like that idea about the BLT, give this video a thumbs up. If you like this video because I'm just cute, give this video a thumbs up. If you like this video because I just made some gorgeous spaghetti and now I'm stuffed, give this video a thumbs up. If you like garlic bread, give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. Share this video on all your social medias and also on Twitter. Retweet this video if you have a Twitter. What else? On all your social media, on Facebook, everything. Share, and share this video, y'all. Share for your girl. I ain't getting out there, and I ain't good with social media, so I don't even know how to get out there where my Time to Grub channel can really go. Because I think I'm very, very, very good, and I put good food up. What y'all think? Let me know. But anyway, I'm just acting silly. But, oh yeah, and I also still have my fan funding button on the side. If you own a computer, Mac, Windows, whatever, it's on the side. It say fan funding. You can donate. I still haven't got a P.O. box, but I'm going to get one so y'all can send me some letters and stuff, and we can write back and forth and become friends and family if you join the family. What else I want to say? Comment below. I love comments, y'all. I be liking to get the comments because as soon as I get them, I just answer them or say something back, and then I get to know some of my people. Like, I want to say this before this video is over. Ooh, this is almost 15 minutes. I want to say this. Hi, Judy Clark. I never met her, but you are an awesome subby. That's another thing I love about YouTube, because you get to meet people and know people. Hi, Judy Clark. Hi, I just want to say happy late birthday, honey. I think you said you turned 54. That is an awesome age to be. You know what I'm saying? Some people haven't even made it there. So God bless you. I hope you had an awesome day. And I think you did tell me on after you replied and said that you had an awesome birthday. So God bless you. And happy birthday, Judy Clark, from Time to Grub with Sharice. Okay. I want to holler at her because it was her birthday. You want to be special on your birthday. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you had a great birthday, hon. But y'all, I just wanted to come and bring y'all this little video of my spaghetti I cooked, which I think I got you a little more sauce, but it was so good. It had shrimp, bell peppers, onions, all that. I mean, sure, I don't know if I'm throw this away. This is enough for me to have a whole nother meal. What y'all think? No, I'm playing. But my husband had been off for a couple of days. That's why I didn't really make a lot of videos what I was eating, because me and him was like stuck together like glue. Okay, and this he's at work tonight, so I was able to come. And in the morning he was sleeping, so I didn't want to be too loud. But I got this new little spot. How y'all like this little spot? I like it. I think it's good for videos. And I use this little light to kind of brighten it up. But I'm gonna get it adjusted right, so long as y'all can see the food. Yummers. Yep. But y'all, this video is going too far, so I just want to say I love y'all, and I will see y'all the next time. It's time to grub. It's time to grub. Bye, y'all.